Austin Mayfield here. Want to talk about the game Tug of War you probably played as a kid. When you were a kid, you were fighting against the other team who was stronger. You might have had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 kids on either side. And everybody would tug back and forth trying to get across that mark who was the stronger team. Modern day, as a grown-up, you play Tug of War every single day, and you are that line in the middle, the line you were trying to get across, pull the other team across. You are that line now, and the opposing teams are time and money. Think about that for a minute. On one end, you need that time. Everybody wants that time. You want that time, but it takes money to have that time. When you're working all the time, making money, you don't seem to have the time that you want to enjoy the things that you want, friends and the family you want to enjoy, because you're so busy making money. When you get that money, say you are falling subject to modern day society and the plan that's been set up for you for the past 80 or 100 years based on history. Get a job, work 9 to 5 for 40 plus years, retire to pinch pennies, and you have time. But who wants to go skydiving when they're 80 years old? It's a battle, extreme tug of war competition your entire career. The tug of war between time and money is the most extreme tug of war game you'll ever play. So you have to figure out how to win that game. How do you have time and money at the same time? It equates to passive income as the answer, or making money while you sleep. That's what I'm trying to help everybody learn to do as I learn. I've got several free opportunities in the description below this video. Check them out. Let me know of any questions you have, positive or negative comments in the comment section below. Austin Mayfield, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Austin Mayfield, thanks.